Hey ladies, this is Samantha Thompson, Executive Director with 31, and I'm going to show you how I schedule a Facebook party in literally less than 5 minutes. So the key to this is that you've already posted your post to a Facebook party. And if you're not sure how to do that, there's other videos that can show you how to do that. So I'll share those links with you, but this is going to show you, once you've already had one party posted, how to go in and do another one. So first you're going to click on this My Networks tab, and you've already created your event or your group in Facebook for this to work. So once you've already created your group or event in Facebook, then you come over here, click on the Networks tab, and click Refresh. At that point, all your groups and events are going to load. And then once they do, you're just going to scroll down till you find your party. So I'm going to be doing Christina's Falling for Fall Facebook party. And you want to make sure that it has like the darkened heart. That means it's in your favorites. So once I do that, I'm going to go to Manage Post Library. And so I'm going to choose the party that I've already posted to that I know is correct, and those are the same posts that I want to use. So in this case, it's Melissa's. And it says there's no post because they're pending. I've scheduled them, but they haven't posted yet. So if you're in the middle of a party, they are going to be half in history, half in pending. If you've already completed the party that you've previously scheduled, they'll just be in history. So you see I'm going to go to pending, and I have all my posts here. So over on this right-hand side, my screen's actually a little bit too short. I'm trying to move it for you. In this right-hand side, you've got the three little lines, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to click Select All. And then you're going to click Batch Post. Now, the most important thing, I think, in this scenario is to know when your first post initially started and when you want your next one or your next party to start. So for me, mine are always the same. I post around the same time. So I'm going to start these posts to go tonight with my pre-party post and then my party to actually start tomorrow. So once you click on that Batch Post button, it's going to bring you to this screen, and you're going to go ahead and click the party that you want to post to, and then make sure you unclick yourself. The way Cinchshare is set up is that it automatically by default clicks yourself, so you don't want that stuff to post on your timeline. You're going to need to unclick that and then choose where you want to post to. So then you're going to choose your date and time. So like I said, I want mine to start this evening, and I'm going to have it start pretty close to 6 o'clock. So once you do that, then you're going to click Apply Interval, and then you'll see all your posts go with the same times. So if you were posting at 8, 12, and 4 in your other party, it's going to adjust to those same times. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little binocular tab right here, and I'm going to change the names. So for this party, for example, my initial one was Melissa, and my new one is Christina. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Melissa and then replace it with Christina. So now you can see every time that my post said Melissa's name, it's going to change it to Christina. And I'm just going to kind of scroll down through to make sure that those all changed. And I've done this a few times, so I'm kind of more familiar with it. I can kind of scroll pretty fast because I know which posts I use names in and which I don't. And then I'm going to hit Update Posts. And then I'm going to also change the party link. So if you can see in this post right here, I've got Melissa's party link. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put that in text define. And then I'm going to go over here and get my party link for Christina. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put that in my text to replace. Hit search. It's going to find all those instances where I used Melissa's party link and change it to Christina's. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to click Update Post. So now my posts are scheduled with the time frames that I want. They're scheduled in terms of Melissa's name being changed to Christina's and Christina's shopping link instead of Melissa's. At this point, I'm just going to click Schedule Batch. And that's it. That simple. So I'll go up here so you can see them. and you see in pending, I have all of her posts scheduled. So, works really quickly, 5 minutes or less, you can schedule an entire Facebook party. Hope this video helped you, and I'll talk to you soon.